Hi, this is Yindra Chekhan of Valuing Voices. We in international development have spent decades trying to do good, and we've done an astonishing amount of good all around the world. There are amazing projects out there really improving the lives and livelihoods of people all around the globe. But what we haven't done so much is design projects with people's voices. We've designed them in capital cities and in boardrooms and office spaces. We haven't done it in villages as well with people. Donors are willing to offer so much, and they want to get more funding. So therefore, they spend time designing what they think people need as compared to actually asking those who need it. Doesn't always happen this badly, but often it does. And so there's a lot of wasted resources. And all we need to do is value the voices. Do you see my twiga? So my twiga, in Kiswahili for giraffe, is a vulnerable participant. This vulnerable participant wants to be heard. They really want to be heard and seen, because what they really want is to define their own development. They want to evaluate our projects and say, this really worked and this didn't. This worked, this well was terrific, this capacity building project was marvelous, this microcredit training and all that was really terrific. Oh yeah, and I should be saying, really, and then there's all the stuff that gets wasted. There's all of the resources that only international development projects can sustain themselves. Communities can't sustain after we go. So please join Valuing Voices in advocating for the participants like my twiga to please get what they want. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.